Okay, so we'll have this Rakhi over here, and we'll tie two strings, one on this side and the other one on this side. I already cut it, I've folded it in half, and what I do is near the fold, I just take a crochet hook and just pull it from this last SC, last or the first SC. Okay, I insert it over here. Let me get this closer. Okay, I just insert the hook over here, pull the strands inside using your hook. Okay, just take out this crochet hook and I just pull these two strands from inside. Okay, and then I just take this portion and unstrand it. We'll take half on this side and half on the other side, so that this also gets inserted within the string itself. Okay, so you'll have the string in the end, which I have divided in two parts like this, and then I pull it this side, pull it this side, then I'll be doing this for the entire thing. Okay, so in the end this will stand out, these strands will stand out, you'll have to cut it out. Okay, you can even do it like this. Normally people do it the other way, but I always prefer to do it this side, towards my side. Okay, let me finish this and I'll get back to you. Okay, so I reached this end. Now I'm going to tie a knot. Then I'll take a cutter and cut out this portion. You see the string standing out, so we don't need this. So nice and clean. So you repeat this for this other side as well. You see this over here, and just cut out the ends, and here your Rakhi is ready.